This is the GM Carabiner Scissors by a Japanese company called Golden Mean. Here it is out of the box. Comes with this insert that has an explanation on here, and then on the other side it explains all the details of how to use it. The carabiner itself is standard carabiner, and then it's got these scissors right here. If you're not going to use the split key ring and you take that off, your total weight's going to be 59.1. The split key ring itself is 1.4 grams. Let's see how this cuts. To cut, you just pull this out. Once it's there, it locks into place, and then you merely grip it like this, and then you can cut. Just try and cut down this line here, see how it goes. It cut the material pretty well. Because the scissors are relatively short compared to the length of this, that made it a little tricky, but let's get some tests done in the field. The cut is a bit finicky. You need just the right angle to make it cut well, which can be a bit of a challenge in the field. It cuts hard or straight objects pretty well, but performance drops with materials that bend or flex. The short cutting edge means short, repetitive snips work best. While not bad, I can't wholeheartedly recommend this product either. I don't think it'll replace my Leatherman Micro scissors, so I'm not sure how long it'll be in my kit.